Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service, and today it is very important and very useful video for all those who want full stack developer with Spring Boot, Java, and MySQL database apart from Angular. So in last session we have discussed and developed, we build images and then we run container from those images, and then we realize, okay, why I need to run every image separately? Is there a way where I can manage all these services in one file? So that was Docker Compose. Okay, but in last session we build run containers with compose file, two services, where one was MySQL database and the second was core, uh, our application with Spring Boot. So we build images, Spring Boot with demo, and then we have MySQL which we downloaded and get up and running from Docker Hub. And also we separate in separate video we just build Angular application, and we learn how to Dockerize the Angular application and how to run container of that image. So today I'm going to show you how we can do all these services within a one compose file. First of all, I want to show you the structure of my projects. Guys, here you can see we have demo project. You have been from the start learning, as soon as I'm increasing documentation, I'm adding codes, I'm adding logic, and everything I'm adding with the same project. I'm not creating separate projects, so that you can start from A to Z, so that you can understand, you can be super duper full stack developer of full stack application. So this is our demo application with Spring Boot, Java 17, and we also built first, this demo application contains, you can see here, only uh, two services. One was MySQL database and second was core. So core is dependent on MySQL database. We also declare it networks, environment variables. I explained you each line one by one in that session. So today our focus is how we can run a full stack application with Angular, Spring Boot, and MySQL database with one compose file. I just go, and on the top of these two folders I placed one compose file where I just uh, mention services like MySQL database, its version, its container name. It should be restart whenever there is a problem. I also provided credentials. We in next section we will be using environment file, where we can manage all these parameters in env environment file. We don't need to mention in compose. So and we also provide ports. We also, because if we don't provide networks, it will create a default network. Definitely we will have a session on networks in detail, because what is the default drivers, what option we can use. So I just mentioned demo db network name, also the same name I use, so that these two services can communicate with the same network. Otherwise they cannot communicate with each other and we will be having exception. Okay, after that, what else I added another demo UI, which I have been explained how to Dockerize Angular application in separate video. You can find on my channel. And here you can see that we just mentioned container name, what image. This image you can find under Docker UI. There must be Dockerfile. You can see here we have some configuration, basic configuration, where it will be extracted base image from node, and then it will provide working directory. It will also install Angular CLI or npm node package manager, all dependencies for this application, and at the end it will run this command so that this application can run on localhost. So whatever, because when we start run working with compose, it goes and see, okay, if there is Dockerfile, it and see if there is no image locally, then it start building with Dockerfile. If there is no any such configuration, it goes on the Docker hub, Docker registry, and download from that. If it cannot find on both sides, it shows exceptions, said such kind of image not available, something like this. So back to the our agenda. Our agenda is to just run a full stack application. So here is the separate project. You can see we have two projects. One is core and second is UI. And also I add configuration for UI, its container name, its image name. There must be image available where it will start running container from this image. So it is context and whatever ports we can provide here, and also it depends on core. So in this session we will just sorry, we will just run this full stack application and see all are working fine. And in next session we will start communicating from UI to demo, and from demo to DB. We will be fetching data from database to demo, and then UI will access data from demo and display on UI. So first of all, you know that I have also uploaded a separate full fledged tutorial for Docker commands, where also we have covered all commands with Docker compose. So it is simple. We will just write Docker compose up. It will start creating building container from building images and start creating containers if there are already available images. So how we can check this, let me show you. Okay, so all is looks fine, and definitely I will see. Ooh, great. Here you can see that all uh, containers have been run from images, and these are up and running. So how I can check all of these, let me show you one by one. Okay, we can see check that it is started, MySQL server is started. And guys, one thing very important, you must check either from services. If we already have running MySQL database server, then you must stop this, otherwise you will be getting exception. And another is core. So how we can check this core, just okay, just I will provide hello. Ooh, great. Here you can see I'm in Neon Pro. So how we can check this? It is from API call in this demo project. Definitely I will show you. Here we already have run this project, and here you can see in controller. Oh no, what? Yeah, demo application. Yeah, when I press hello, it is provided I am from whatever what parameter I have provided. Okay, so next is another container application. We have to check UI. So for this, yeah, great. Here this is also running. Okay, great. This was just a little bit introduction about how we can start with Docker Compose running all the services. Definitely we can add more services in demo. Even we can start working from micro front end. Definitely I will work on that and show you how we can start micro front end development. So for now it is this, and definitely in next session I will present you how we can uh, get data from UI to this. UI will be communicating like how I can show you. Here we will be having like web. Here is web application, like we have demo UI, and then we will be having core core service, like we can say that, okay, like we can just create here core. So this UI, in next session, this UI will be communicating this core service, and then this core service will be, and this in this scenario I will be presenting you. We will be calling some, might be we can use login or any get user some API call from Angular demo UI, and then it will be communicating with the demo. Okay, and demo application will ask MySQL to fetch the data, and it will be presented back to UI. So please subscribe if you have not, and stay tuned. I will be working on this application furthermore to just show you how we can save and get data by running Docker Compose. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing, so that I will be continuing with rest of the technologies and tools sharing with you. Thanks.